Hello, this is Amritpal Kaur, and as you all know that we have started a series of IELTS speaking cue cards, and today we are going to do the third one. Okay, so the topic is describe a piece of equipment that is important in your home. Okay, before starting the same, I would like to tell you all that there are a number of other videos related to different modules, especially related to writing and speaking, and these videos would definitely help you. And yeah, today I have updated the prediction for 12th August 2021 IELTS exam as well, and so far every prediction has gone right, and I wish the same for this as well. And you should watch that video as well. Okay, so now let's start with this cue card. So the question is, we need to describe an equipment which is important in our home. So basically, what do you mean by equipment? So equipment means it is any gadget, okay, any technological gadget, or these could be any sanitary equipment like pliers or screwdriver, or any cooking gadgets like food processor is there, or refrigerator, chimneys, and many blenders, grinders, anything. Okay, and if I talk about electronic items, then it could be TV, computer. So you can explain any, but I think that if we start talking about a cooking gadget or a TV or refrigerator, that is far more easier for us, because it would help us to explain that particular thing more naturally. Okay, so I would suggest that boys should go with the computers or TV or refrigerator, because they are really good with that stuff. And if I talk about girls, and then they can go with any cooking gadget, although there are some exceptions, like some boys are really good with cooking, so they can go with the cooking gadget as well. So I mean is just that you must find that in which thing you are good, so you should speak about that gadget only. Okay, so for example, the further questions are how you get it. Okay, so generally we get the things in our homes from our parents, like they purchase us for us. Okay, so next is what you use it for. So definitely if it is TV, then it is for entertainment purposes. Then how often you use it? Well, daily. We watch TV daily, like it is a good family time, so you can add that particular idea in it. And then next is explain why you think it is useful. So it is really very useful when it comes to TV, because your family is you all are together, and it is a family time. You laugh a lot. Generally we watch comedy shows like the Kapil Sharma show, which is really popular in India. So this is how you can explain this cue card. Okay, so I think that I would suggest that you should go with the TV, or you can go with computer as well. Like for my study we use it, and my father or my mother also use it for the work purposes, because they both are working. So during novel coronavirus or COVID-19, it was of great help. And moreover, we were able to watch different social events on it. So there are a number of ideas. Okay, and I hope that now it would be very useful for you. Okay, and if you want the sample for the same, just comment your email ID and I will be sharing the sample written by me as well. Okay, thank you.